I bet you didn't know the true value of aging. It's packed with invaluable wisdom. Let's dive into some golden advice from an 80-year-old to their 50-year-old self. First, embrace boredom. In our distraction-filled world, it's your superpower. Cut out negative influences. Call them energy vampires. You don't need that. Spend time with who matters. Worry less. It's a waste of time. Sleep more. It's your best performance enhancer. Live healthy. Eat well, exercise, and take care of your mind. Choose your information diet wisely and spend more time outdoors. Be smart with money. Save, invest, and manage expenses. Keep learning. Seek mentors and new experiences. Value relationships. Make genuine connections and communicate openly. Forgive, especially your parents. Finally, prioritize self-care. Embrace challenges, learn from failures, and never stop growing. Remember, life is precious. Live it to the fullest. That's wisdom worth a lifetime, right? Now go out there and make every moment count. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. Go seize the day. If you found this advice helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more life lessons and inspiration. Thank you for watching.